The Tesla Model 3 creation rate still remains a secret, only 14 days from the automaker's objective of achieving a generation of 2,500 units for each week. Presently, the organization affirms that it has of late had a 4-day stoppage at both Fremont industrial facility and Gigafactory 1 to refresh the creation lines for the new electric auto. The automaker has already talked about one of those bottlenecks, saying that the most critical one is battery module generation at Gigafactory 1. They are at present working computerized lines that are allegedly not working legitimately, and thusly they need to depend on semi-robotized lines that require more physical work. Tesla Grohmann constructed another mechanized battery module line in Germany, which should touch base in Nevada this month, said Tesla CTO JB Straubel amid a call with investigators a month ago. It's not clear if that was one of the bottlenecks tended to amid that downtime, since it allegedly occurred between February 20th to Feb. 24, and Musk guaranteed that the new line wasn't required for Tesla to achieve its 2,500 unit every week objective. Generation seems to have gotten since, with Tesla enlisting more than 1,000 new Model 3 VINs with an HTSA every week in March up until this point. It doesn't imply that the creation is fundamentally at more than 1,000 units for every week, except it is surely getting after not enrolling numerous new VINs in February. As I would like to think, it doesn't precisely search useful for Tesla accomplishing its objective of 2,500 units for every week before the finish of March. The automaker could simply pull a similar thing that they did toward the finish of the final quarter and extrapolate from a creation rate throughout the previous couple of days of the month to guarantee a higher generation rate. Yet else it could be hard to get to 2,500 units for each week in only half a month after apparently being stuck at approximately 1,000 units every week for some time now. With this stated, Tesla claims that it tried a few different parts of its Model 3 generation line for more than 1,000 units for every week, and in this way, in the event that it managed to address the bottlenecks amid the creation stoppage, they could hypothetically make a generally enormous hop for the time being. It stays to be seen, yet it's in any event empowering that they are enrolling new VINs in higher numbers once more.